Most of creatine, 95% of it, is stored in skeletal muscle. Now, creatine characteristics differ between males and females. In fact, females produce 20 to 30% less whole body creatine than males, leaving them with creatine stores that are 70 to 80% lower compared to males. Additionally, females also report significantly lower consumption of creatine compared to males. This suggests that creatine supplementation may be particularly beneficial for women across different life stages, as endogenous creatine production may not be sufficient to meet physiological demands, particularly during hormonally dynamic phases. More recently, there has been a call to look more deeply into creatine fluctuations throughout a female's different life stages and its importance during menstruation, pregnancy, postpartum, as well as during menopause and postmenopause, as the rate limiting enzyme in creatine synthesis, that being arginine glycine aminotransferase, is influenced by hormones like estrogen and progesterone. As it pertains to the menstrual cycle, fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone influence creatine homeostasis, particularly during the luteal phase when higher estrogen levels enhance creatine kinase activity. Women experience greater cognitive fatigue during the luteal phase, suggesting that creatine supplementation may improve cognitive function by stabilizing ATP turnover and supporting mitochondrial function. Adjusting intake protocols throughout different phases of the menstrual cycle seem unnecessary in that creatine supplementation appears to provide benefits across the entire menstrual cycle with no evidence that varying timing of intake or dosages changes or enhances the effects in relation to hormone fluctuations. Moving into pregnancy, interestingly, maternal creatine status may influence fetal neurodevelopment and energy metabolism for brain saturation. 15 to 20 grams per day for 3 to 7 days in divided doses, then followed by 5 to 10 grams daily for maintenance. A routine daily dose with no loading phase looks like 3 to 5 grams per day for general health benefits. Now, as for optimizing absorption, creatine uptake may be enhanced by insulin-mediated transport. So consuming it with 50 grams of carbohydrates and 50 grams of protein can increase total muscle creatine concentrations. Creatine supplementation is emerging as a powerful tool for women's health beyond athletic performance. From hormonal modulation and neuroprotection to bone preservation and metabolic health, creatine supports functional longevity across different life stages.